everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tay and I'm such a lover of beauty and makeup, and I also love to create lifestyle content. Please don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to be missing out on all the exciting uploads on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you about one of my home remedies on how to remove darkness from your skin. Now, a lot of us have this issue at some point in our life where we either get too tanned or we've got darkness on our elbows, our ankles, knees, underarms, and a lot of the time we're a little bit reluctant to use chemicals or chemically produced creams and stuff because some of them have bleaching agents to reduce this darkening of the skin. I know there's thousands and thousands of methods on the internet, on YouTube. You can find how to lighten your skin, and I'm not saying that they don't work. However, I have come up with a very, very effective method that has worked for me time and time again. I used to work in the sun quite a lot during the day, and especially in the summer, my skin became extremely dark. Even though I like to be a little bit tanned, but I don't like to be too tanned. So what I started doing was experimenting, and I came up with this one method. It's like a mask that you apply to your skin and you see instant results. It's harmless, it doesn't give you any allergies, there's no chemicals involved, and you can find most of the ingredients readily available in your local supermarket. So I'm going to share this secret with you today. So guys, this is all the stuff you're going to need to make this mask. This is powder made from neem leaves. This is sandalwood powder. This is Fuller's Earth. It's basically a clay powder, also known as Multani Mitti. This is rose petal powder. You're going to need some lemon squeezes, a bowl and a teaspoon. And now I'm going to show you how much quantities you need and how you're going to make it. So guys, I've got all my equipment ready and I've got my teaspoon. It's just a regular teaspoon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix equal amounts of all these products into this bowl. I'm going to start off by using half a teaspoon. So half a teaspoon of rose petal powder, half a teaspoon of the clay. Then we've got sandalwood powder. This smells amazing. And then we've got half a teaspoon of the neem leaf powder. Once you've mixed all your powders, you can see it's a little mixture there. Then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice into this. So I've cut my lemon in half, got my lemon squeezer, and I'm just going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. And I'm going to make sure I don't squeeze in too much because I don't want it to be too liquidy. And what you want to do is you just want to press any lumps out of it if it does form any lumps. And there we are. So that's your paste. Now for the demonstration, to show you that it actually works, I'm going to apply it on my hand. So I'll apply it on one hand and I'll show you by the end of it what the results are, and to show you how instantly it will lighten the color of my skin on the hand. So I'm just applying it. I'm going to leave this on to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once it's dry I'll come back and I'll show you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey everyone, I'm back, and as you can see my hand is almost dry. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to wash my hand and I'm going to show you the result. So as you can see, I have my water bowl right here, and I'm just going to wash my hand in this. It's just warm water. The reason why I'm doing it in front of you is because I want you to see there's been no cheating in trying to show you a lighter skin color. So I'm just going to show you the end result. Can you see the difference? just by one application. This one is darker and this one is lighter, and you can see where I applied it up to, my arm gets a little bit darker there and it's lighter here. And that's just one application. Guys, this was the result. If you want to make this mask for your skin at home, you can add in a little bit of turmeric if you don't mind the yellowing of the skin. Don't add in too much, definitely not the equal amount to other ingredients, because it will make your skin color a little bit yellow. And if you have shaved your skin, or if you have any scars or any grazing or bruising, do not apply this on there, because girl, if you have shaved, you're gonna regret putting that mask on your skin. So don't do it if that's the case. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope this video helps you in a daily basis. What I would recommend is that if you're actually trying to apply it to your elbows or underarms, maybe do it 2 to 3 times a week to be able to see a more effective result. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!